Kuingia kwa makarika jana bare Babanake kugieu na kinya utumire bwambo gitaja Meru na ndi gikundi kimwe gitiga thirikari na rito Focus Ladies nikiambiriretie kuriungania na masukuru na kwariria untu bubu kenda bumba kwithirwa bugikinyamuthia.
Marietwa ni Joyce Wambiti mbithairwa ndi vice chair gikundi-ini gigwitwa Focus Ladies CBO. Gikundi kiria kithairwo kina a group of 10 professionals, health professionals, na twambiririe in 2013 with the name of Empower Twingwa. Turakara turona we can do something to the community as a way of giving back to the community by impacting health information muno kiri the youth veto in school and out of school. No toto atega youth, they are facing a lot of challenges in these times. Na etorona we can just save something small, at least once or twice a year, tukadithia mentorship kere our youths in school.
Meru County, teenage pregnancy to 24%. Na 24% twaraithiria inamba nene muno ni untu ikuga atia ana betu ba arika ne kuru betu bara bejaga sibitari ku deliver in our hospital kire kuruegana ana 24 bethaira bare 19 years and below, and that one eka expose ana bauke a lot of risk na ikyo tumirete na inye nene ni untu ana bau batibati kwithira be maternity bakigijaga ana batibagirite kwithira bare sukuru bakithomaga na bakimbuildaga their careers.
Kwa unarua twatinda na aritwa baba kuma rukiri tukubaritana various topics: adolescence health, STIs, gender-based violence, and also issues to do with mental health ile iko affect most of the students so that they can speak out. Nikenda bomba gutetheka mapema.
Twechire gatuateni day and mixed secondary school kuempower ciana cietu, koguo ni tukwenda kuria communities na andu a wendi umwega kuringana na mainya metu tutikumba gukinyira ciana nyingi iria tungiumba gutethia. Koguo ni kuria andu a wendi mwega, mundu kiwe mwene ka kambuni ka makanisa uria wonthe withwe na mwito wa gutethereria nwa jiunge netwe.
Group weje ni ete utethio bunene muno kiri skuru yetu na arua ana betu they are full of excitement na ba kuthoma mantu maingi muno jegie health, jegie skin, jegie gender based violence, na I believe training you to receive ikomba kweja egita ana betu bomba kwithira bagitetheka muno.